hope you are fine and great. So friends, the winter season start now. So in this video, I will tell you all the dry fruits name. Mean khushk meva jat. Dry fruits name khushk meva jat. Friends, it is a very interesting video. When you will not see this video, so think you will. Okay, so please see the video to the end. Okay friends, let's start now. Number 1 is badam, almond. Almond make our brain strong. It is a very much important for our brain. Okay, second one, moongfali. Moongfali, it is the favorite thing in this season, winter season. Okay, moongfali means peanut. Next one, third, khajur, dates. It is the favorite thing of our prophet, our last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so next one is makhane. Makhane means lotus seeds. Makhane, lotus seeds. Next one, sapari. Sapari, betel nuts. Sapari, betel nuts. Next one, kaju. Kaju, kashui. Kaju, kashui. Okay. Next one, pista. Pista, pistachio. Pista means pistachio. Next one, chalgouza. Chalgouza, pine nut. Pine nut. Next one, injeer. Injeer, fig. Injeer, fig. Okay. Next one, nariyal. Nariyal, coconut. Next one, akhrot, walnut. It is also very it's also make our brain strong. Okay, it's also. Next one, til, sesame. Til, sesame. Next one, chalia, erica nut. Chalia, erica nut. Next one, alsi, flax seed. Alsi, flax seed. Last one, kishmish. Raisins. Okay, so friends, these are the all dry fruits name. Inshallah, in the next video, I will tell you more about this. Okay, so friends, do like this video. So please like, subscribe, and share. I will let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.